Hai guys, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. So today I want to introduce you a little bit about HTML and CSS. Have you ever learned about CSS or HTML before? For those who haven't studied or haven't heard of it uh, at all but want to know, then you can watch my video until end. Okay. Have you ever uh, then this is introduction HTML. HTML introduction. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web page. Even we want to create a web, we use this HTML to get a web. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and HTML is the standard markup language for creating web page. HTML describes the structure of a web page. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML elements label piece of content such as thing is a heading, this a paragraph, and this a link. Uh, then this is an example. This is an example of our coding using HTML. HTML is standard markup language for web pages. With HTML, you can create a blog on website. The long type is the coding and later on the web it will appear like this. This example. To run our HTML coding, we need to pay attention to the elements that we use. We have to adjust it according to the way, and this is the way. Then we fill in the title, and the title will appear the top of the web or browser title. Then fill it in Hewan Najla, and don't forget to close it later. Then we fill in the paragraph, maybe, and finish like that. Maybe this is a short example for me. HTML from coding HTML. Next, I want to talk about CSS. This is the introduction of CSS. CSS is the language we use to style a web page. Yes, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. This is CSS short from Cascading Style Sheet. And through CSS describes how to HTML elements are to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS saves a lot of work. It can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External styles are stored in CSS file. Uh, Now, this is an example from CSS. This CSS function is to create a custom style in HTML. So for example here, so for for example, we use a light blue background color here. Then on each one, we use a white title. Then we also give it in layout in the middle we use a center to to get a title in middle. Yes. Then in the paragraph we give the font Verdana like that, and we apply with a size of 20 px, so the result of the coding will appear like that. Don't forget we must we ma- we we must harus we we must to pay attention to the rules, uh, to we have to pay attention to goals so that the loading is not damaged. Maybe this is for me. I'm sorry for my language is very bad, and I uh, cannot to talk in English. Okay, thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.